Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off portrait mode on Snapchat on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store and then update your Snapchat app afterwards. You should open Snapchat, and then on the upper right, you can see different kind of options such as switch camera, turn on flash timeline, sounds, etc. Click on the drop-down button and then click on focus mode to make sure it is already turned off. You just need to see if it is highlighted or not. If it's highlighted, then the portrait mode is on. If it's not highlighted, then the portrait mode is off. So that's how you can turn off the portrait mode on Snapchat on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comment section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.